Today we'll show you how to make some delicious galettes with vermicelli and tuna. In a large mixing bowl, combine the following ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of yellow food coloring, 1 packet of instant dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Add water gradually and, using a stand mixer, begin to mix the dough until it's well combined. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let the dough rest for 35 to 40 minutes. This will give it time to rise and become even more flavorful. In a pot, bring water to a boil, adding a tablespoon of butter and a pinch of salt. Once it's boiling, add the vermicelli and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Afterward, drain the vermicelli in a colander and set it aside to cool. In a pot, heat a bit of oil over medium heat. Sauté some chopped onions and garlic until they become fragrant. Then, add the chopped tuna. Fresh tomatoes, black pepper, and optionally a sprinkle of chicken seasoning Maggi. Mix everything well and let it simmer for 15 minutes until the flavors meld together. The dough has risen. Now place it on a silicone pastry mat. Divide it into small pieces and shape them into galettes. Dust a bit of flour on top and cover them for 30 minutes to allow them to rise even more. In a deep saucepan, heat some oil over medium heat. Fry the galettes, turning them regularly to ensure they cook evenly for approximately 3 minutes. have it, a fantastic dish of galettes with vermicelli and tuna. Bon appetit and enjoy your meal.